Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. I am Sarah, and today we have a very special lesson. Many learners tell me, Sarah, I understand English, but I cannot speak it alone. I am afraid, I don't know what to say, and I feel nervous. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same. And the good news is, today, we will practice speaking English alone, slowly and clearly, step by step. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident to speak English by yourself, without hesitation or fear. Speaking English alone is one of the most important skills for improving fluency. When you speak alone, you are training your brain to think in English. You are building the habit of using words, phrases, and sentences naturally. Listening alone is not enough. You need to practice speaking, even if it is only with yourself at first. And today, we will make this practice simple, slow, and enjoyable. In this video, we will follow a step-by-step approach. We will start slowly, using easy phrases and short sentences. I will speak clearly and repeat words and sentences, so you can follow me and repeat after me. This is the best way to build your confidence. You can pause the video, practice the sentences, and then continue. Remember, there is no rush. English is a journey, and practicing slowly is more effective than trying to speak too fast. First, we will focus on common phrases for daily life. These are sentences you can use every day when talking to yourself, describing your activities, or practicing conversations. For example, simple phrases like, "Good morning," "I am ready to start my day," or "I like reading books in English," are perfect for beginners. Repeating these sentences slowly helps you remember the words, improve your pronunciation, and feel more comfortable speaking. Next, we will move to describing your day and activities. You will learn how to say things about your routine, your hobbies, your work, or your studies. Speaking about familiar topics makes it easier to start because you already know the vocabulary. For instance, you can say, "In the morning, I drink coffee and read the news," or "I usually walk in the park and listen to music." By speaking slowly and clearly, you train your brain to form sentences naturally without translating from your native language. We will also practice asking and answering questions alone. This might sound strange, but it is very effective. You can ask yourself questions like, "What did I do today?" or "What will I do tomorrow?" and then answer them in English. This technique helps you think in English and prepare for real conversations with other people. Over time, speaking alone becomes easier, and you will notice that when you meet someone, your sentences come naturally. During this lesson, I will also provide repeated exercises. We will repeat words, phrases, and sentences several times. Repetition is key to learning. It helps you remember the structure of sentences, the correct pronunciation, and the right word order. Don't be afraid to repeat slowly. Speaking slowly is better than speaking too fast and making mistakes. Fluency comes with practice and patience. Finally, at the end of this video, we will do a long speaking practice session. This session will be about 20-30 minutes, where I will guide you through a full practice, describing your day, talking about your hobbies, explaining your work or studies, and sharing your feelings. During this session, speak out loud, repeat my sentences, and try to add your own sentences. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Every word you speak is a step forward. Remember, speaking English alone is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of confidence and dedication. People who practice alone every day improve much faster than those who only listen or read. This video will help you take that step. You will see that speaking slowly, repeating sentences, and practicing daily will make a huge difference in your fluency and confidence. So, get ready. Grab a notebook if you want, find a quiet place, and let's start speaking English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Repeat after me. Practice every day and enjoy the process. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more comfortable speaking alone, and your confidence will grow naturally. Let's begin our first practice session, where we will learn simple sentences to speak about yourself and your daily life. Part 1. Simple sentences for daily life. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Part 1 of our slow English speaking practice. In this part, we will start with simple sentences about daily life. The goal is to help you speak English alone, slowly and clearly. You will learn short sentences that are easy to remember and use every day. Repeat after me and don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes perfect. 1. Greetings and simple introductions. Let's start with the basics. Greetings. These sentences are useful for starting your day or practicing by yourself. Good morning. I am happy to start my day. Hello, my name is Sarah. I like learning English. Hi, I hope today is a good day. Practice these sentences slowly. Say each word clearly. After you repeat them a few times, try to add your own name or change the greeting. For example, good morning. My name is John. I like practicing English. 2. Talking about yourself. Next, let's talk about yourself. Simple sentences about your habits, hobbies, or feelings are perfect for practicing alone. Repeat each sentence after me. I am a student. I study English every day. I like reading books. I read in the morning. I enjoy listening to music. Music makes me happy. Try to add details about your day. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink coffee and read the news. I walk in the park in the afternoon. I enjoy the fresh air. 3. Talking about daily activities. Now let's describe your daily routine. Using simple phrases will help you speak slowly and confidently. Repeat after me. In the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast and prepare for my day. I go to work or school and meet my friends. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV. At night, I read a book and go to sleep. Notice that each sentence is short. Speaking slowly helps your brain remember the words and phrases. Don't rush. The goal is to speak clearly, not quickly. 4. Expressing feelings and opinions. Talking about your feelings is another great way to practice English alone. You can start with simple sentences. I am happy today. I feel tired, but I want to practice English. I like learning new words every day. Try to add reasons using because. I am happy because I practiced English this morning. I feel excited because I learned a new phrase today. 5. Asking simple questions to yourself. Even when you are alone, asking questions helps you think in English. Repeat these questions and answer them slowly. What am I doing today? I am studying English. What do I like to do in the evening? I like to listen to music. How do I feel today? I feel happy and motivated. By practicing questions and answers, your brain starts to think in English naturally. This is an important step before speaking with others. 6. Using time and place. We can also practice simple sentences with time and place words. Repeat after me. In the morning, I drink tea at home. At noon, I eat lunch at work. In the evening, I watch TV in the living room. On weekends, I go to the park with my friends. Time and place words make your sentences more complete. They also help you practice structure. First the time, then the activity, then the place. 7. Slow repetition exercise. Now let's do a short repetition exercise. I will say a sentence slowly and you repeat it. I wake up early every day. I drink coffee and eat breakfast. I go to work or school and meet people. I study English for 30 minutes. I feel happy because I practice every day. Repeat each sentence at least 3 times. You can also pause the video, say it aloud multiple times, and add your own sentences. 8. Tips for practicing alone. Find a quiet place. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat sentences several times. Record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Add your own ideas to the sentences. Remember, the goal is fluency through slow and clear practice. Speaking alone every day will improve your confidence and make English feel natural. Part 2. Slow speaking practice with extended sentences. Welcome back! In Part 2 of our slow English speaking practice, we will move beyond simple sentences. Now, we will practice longer sentences and small monologues that you can say alone. This will help you gain confidence and fluency. Speaking alone does not mean you are limited to short phrases. You can tell small stories, describe your day, or share your thoughts in full sentences. 1. Describing your morning routine. Let's start by describing your morning. I will speak slowly, and you repeat each sentence after me. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I drink a cup of coffee and eat breakfast. I usually listen to music while I prepare for my day. Sometimes I read a few pages of a book before I leave home. Now try to add 1 or 2 sentences about yourself. For example, I like to walk in the garden before going to work. I take a short exercise routine to feel active. Speaking slowly and adding your own details makes the practice personal and more effective. 2. Talking about work or school. Next, let's describe your work or school day. Repeat after me. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I take the bus and listen to English podcasts. At work, I am responsible for answering emails and helping my colleagues. I enjoy working with my team because we learn from each other. After work, I often review my tasks and plan for the next day. If you are a student, I go to school in the morning. I study math and English. During the break, I talk with my friends in English to practice. After school, I do my homework and review new vocabulary. Try to expand each sentence with more details. For example, I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people around the world. 3. Talking about hobbies and free time. Now, let's practice talking about hobbies. Hobbies are great because they are personal and easy to describe. Repeat slowly. In the evening, I like to read books in English. I also enjoy watching English videos to improve my listening skills. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park and listen to English music. On weekends, I like to cook new recipes and practice English with instructions. Remember, the key is speaking slowly. Add your own details about what you like. For example, I like playing the guitar while listening to English songs. I enjoy drawing and describing my drawings in English. 4. Speaking about feelings and opinions. It is also useful to practice expressing your feelings and opinions. Repeat after me. I feel happy when I speak English slowly and clearly. I feel proud when I understand a new word and use it in a sentence. I like English because it helps me meet new people and learn about the world. You can also ask yourself questions and answer them. How do I feel today? I feel motivated and ready to practice English. What is my favorite activity? I enjoy reading and speaking English every day. 5. Practice imaginary dialogues alone. Even when you are alone, you can simulate a conversation. This helps you prepare for real-life situations. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. How are you? What do you usually do in the morning? I usually study English and drink coffee. Do you like your work or school? Yes, I enjoy it because I learn new things every day. You can create your own questions and answers, speaking slowly and clearly. Pretend someone is talking to you and respond in English. 6. Using time to build fluency. When practicing alone, it is important to use time expressions to make your sentences longer. Repeat. In the morning, I read books. In the afternoon, I practice English. In the evening, I relax and listen to music. Every day, I try to speak English for at least 30 minutes. On weekends, I watch English videos and write sentences about my life. Time words like in the morning, in the evening, every day, sometimes on weekends, help your sentences flow naturally. 7. Tips for speaking alone. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat sentences multiple times. Add your own details to personalize your practice. Record yourself and listen for pronunciation. Create imaginary dialogues to simulate real conversations. Practice daily, even for 10 to 20 minutes. Consistency is key. 8. Slow monologue exercise. Finally, let's do a short monologue practice. Repeat after me slowly. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am learning English every day. I enjoy reading books and listening to English music. In the morning, I wake up and have breakfast. I practice English for 30 minutes. I like speaking alone because it helps me improve. I feel happy and confident when I speak English. I want to speak fluently one day. As we conclude this journey through slow English speaking practice, take a moment to reflect on the progress you've made. Remember, every word spoken, every sentence constructed brings you closer to fluency. Speaking English alone, at a comfortable pace, is a powerful tool for building confidence and improving pronunciation. You've learned to describe your daily routine, express your feelings, and engage in simple dialogues, all at a pace that suits you. Embracing consistency. Consistency is key to language learning. Just as you wouldn't expect to run a marathon without regular training, mastering English requires daily practice. Dedicate time each day to speak English aloud, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, these small efforts accumulate, leading to significant improvement. Building confidence. Speaking alone might feel unusual at first, but it's a safe space to make mistakes and learn from them. Each mistake is a stepping stone towards mastery. Embrace them as part of your learning process. With each practice session, your confidence grows, making it easier to speak with others and in real-life situations. Expanding your practice. To further enhance your skills, consider recording yourself speaking. Listening to your recordings can help identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Additionally, try to incorporate new vocabulary and sentence structures into your practice to keep it engaging and challenging. Engaging with a community. While practicing alone is beneficial, engaging with others can accelerate your learning. Join online forums, language exchange groups, or social media communities where you can practice speaking with fellow learners. Sharing experiences and learning from others can provide motivation and new perspectives. Now it's time to take action. Subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with new videos that will guide you through various aspects of English learning. Practice daily. Set aside time each day to speak English aloud. Use the sentences and exercises from this video as a starting point. Share your journey. Share your progress with others. Whether it's through social media or a language learning app, connecting with others can provide support and encouragement. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from native speakers or fellow learners. Constructive criticism can help you improve more quickly. Stay persistent. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories along the way and keep pushing forward. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of learning English. You've got this!